Alright, so this is our first sander, the American 8, our first one we bought, so close to a year ago. But weighs about 300 pounds, and it does a good job. It's just incredibly heavy. And now we have the Spider. It cuts much flatter, and just does an overall better product. We still use this one for first cuts and stuff sometimes if there's a lot of overwood and whatnot. You see Sean here going after the rough cut, filling in any chips and nail holes in the floor. Also, you can see I'm cutting on a little bit of an angle, and you always want to do that. Typically, just gets everything, make sure everything's flat. That way, when you go straight with your final cut, that it doesn't translate and you don't have any waves in your floor. So I know one thing a lot of people ask is what grit paper we use and stuff. So right here, I think I'm using a 40 grit paper on the drum, and then we'll finish it out with either an 80 or 100, because anything finer than that kind of just closes off all the grain in the wood and doesn't really take any color. If you're going with just a clear coat on top, that's not as much of a big deal, but anytime you're staining, if you burnish the wood too much, it just doesn't look all that great. So yeah, but I'll just go through here and sand all this. Then I think 2 more cuts, and then it was and then we did the edges and stuff. I think we got a video of that somewhere we'll upload, along with the Spider and the other processes or other parts of the process as we go through here. I'm doing voiceover on all these because, well, it's loud when sanding and there's no sound in a hyperlapse. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, and let us know if there's anything else you'd like us to put out there.